I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
And I looked. I didn't even have to get into like look down and see what it was. It's very painfully obvious from the door frame what had happened in there. And I hope the guy that left that shit there went to a fucking hospital or something. Because what we saw was a log. It was the exact... I mean, I didn't have a tape measure or anything like that, but it looked exactly the same size, length, girth, circumference of a Pringles can. Maybe a bit bigger. And it was such a big shit.
All those moments will be lost in time. Like tears.